Away from Rivers State, fresh investigations into the federal government student loan fund has exposed unethical practices by some universities and banks, raising serious concerns about the integrity of the disbursement process. According to a new report by Community Orientation and Mobilization Officers of the National Orientation Agency, certain higher institutions are colluding with banks to shortchange students. Abdullahi Ahmed reports.
Findings reveal that some university officials are deliberately withholding vital information about loan disbursements, while others are actively working with banks to delay payments, allegedly for personal financial gain. In some cases, institutions have failed to acknowledge loan disbursements from the Nigeria Education Loan Fund, leaving successful applicants stranded. Speaking to Trust TV News, the NOA Director General, Larry Isa Onilu, confirmed the disturbing trend and assured that steps are being taken to protect students from further exploitation.
Just about 4 months ago, we established a new department that we call Youth Engagement and Inclusion. So the Department of Youth Engagement and Inclusion is to ensure that we bring youth as drivers, not as passengers. And in several forums I have gone, talking to youth, I keep telling them, don't let anybody deceive you. We are not the leaders of tomorrow. Time is now. It's an attempt to lure you into slumber so that you can be waiting for tomorrow. And then they eat up your todays. So don't wait. It is not tomorrow. It is now. Take charge. And so the only way to do that is to ensure that we include them in what we are doing and we make them drivers and not passengers. So how do we make them drivers? It's ensuring that we provide megaphone, we amplify their voices.
The orientation agency boss issued a stern warning to complicit institutions and banks, demanding an immediate halt to the malpractice. The National Orientation Agency has also instructed its state directorates to gather more student feedback nationwide, paving the way for decisive action against any school or bank found guilty.
This one we have done. Many universities now will pull back quickly and say, so we are being watched. That's one of the reasons why we went public, for the university to know that they are being watched. And also to get the student to know that you are being shortchanged. Don't also sit idle. While we are engaging with NEL Fund is also responding. I can tell you that in a few weeks' time, they will launch an app that every student can have, and you can monitor and track everything till when the money gets to your university.
The recent revelations of unethical practices surrounding the disbursement of student loans have cast a shadow over what is arguably one of the Tinubu administration's most ambitious and transformative social intervention programs, the Nigeria Education Loan Fund. This was designed as a legacy initiative to democratize access to higher education and ease financial burden on millions of Nigerian students. The program promised hope and opportunity. However, reports of collusion between certain university officials and banks to delay or divert funds have raised serious concerns about its implementation. Abdullahi Ahmed, Trust TV News, Abuja.